It's October 15th, 2015. And where are we, Caleb?
At Disney World.
We're at Disney World Resorts. We are at the All-Star Sports Resort.
Do you have to like
There's the baseball section.
Dad.
There's the football section.
Dad, you're not listening.
I'm listening. All right, Caleb, show us how to open the door with our magic bands.
Okay. So you have this little Mickey Mouse thing right here.
Yep.
And then you
push it open. Push.
And then you push it open.
Got it. All right. Well, here, let's go back inside. Let's look at our room. Here's
this is our room. Can we go back out?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the pool in a second.
And then well,
there's me.
Do you have to wear this for the swimming pool?
No, we have to bring it so we can get back in our room.
Oh.
So let's touch down Mickey. It's not much, just a little room here. We think it's kind of funny because, okay, let's go look at what's on top of the. We got Mickey soap.
Got Mickey soap.
Yeah, and then Mickey soap right here. Let me see. Oh,
it said it calls
Hold on. Yep, I see it.
Yep, calls Mickey on it.
So.
Every time I.
All right, we're heading over to the pool. Caleb.
Abandoned ship. Okay, go.
Caleb's terrorizing people. Okay. All right, Caleb and I are at Disney Springs, which used to be called Downtown Disney. There's the Rainforest Cafe.
That's not really good lava.
It's not really lava. There's the Lego store over there, which we're gonna go see. There's Planet Hollywood over here. Lake. What do you think? Really cool, isn't it? Really, really cool.
Hi.
We are at Disney Quest, which I don't think is going to be here too much longer. Caleb's playing Fix It Felix. We got free tickets with our Disney stay. So it's like a big arcade. You want to go see what's downstairs? So how are we doing? You want to hold your bag of stuff? Okay, we've got some goodies. Day one and Caleb can barely walk, and we haven't even gone to the parks yet. I thought this was kind of cool. All these trees are like twinkling.
I'm so tired.
You're so tired? Get off the crowd. We're gonna go in this Christmas store, and then we're gonna go back to the hotel. Come on. We made it back to our hotel. They're showing the Little Mermaid on a screen over there. It's kind of cool. And I think Caleb is wanting to go swimming, so we're going to go do a night swim for a little bit. Probably not too long because I think it closes at 10, so we're going to go to the other pool. on day 2. We had a good night's sleep. Caleb's got some Mickey waffles.
It's day 1.
No.
Because it doesn't count. It doesn't count when the airplane was.
All right, so day 1 didn't count. So this is our real day 1. We're at the little market here. Breakfast was pretty good. We got all this. I got biscuits and gravy, and he got all this. It was under $10, so not too bad.
Sorry, Mickey.
Oh. Oh no! Don't eat my ear. Here's the Disney's. Just stay right there. Here's Caleb's cold. All-Star Sports. This is where we're staying. We're heading to the Animal Kingdom. We're the first ones out here because I'm crazy. Caleb, stay. All right, Caleb, where are we at? It is only like 7:30 in the morning. It hasn't even opened yet. We just went on Expedition Everest and Dinosaur. Caleb, what'd you think about Dinosaur?
Kind of scary.
Kind of scary. You want to do it again? No. This ride's not working. We just went on the Kali River Rapids. We just went on that. We got kind of wet. There's monkeys jumping around somewhere. I don't know where they went. Oh, there they are. There's a monkey up there.
What?
We're having a great day. It's only like 9:30. And we've ridden on like 6 rides. And we've walked on to every one. Caleb, which has been your favorite ride so far? The Bug's Life or
Nope.
or this one, Thunder River?
Nope.
Dinosaur?
Nope.
Expedition Everest?
Yes. By the whale.
There's the tree.
It's the owl by the whale.
Look at all these birds. All these birds flying around.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
It's a peacock. Give him a hug,
Caleb. Give him a hug. Caleb's eating a Mickey ice cream and being less Sussex. Resting, and we're gonna head out to Epcot a little bit later. Caleb's playing on his tablet. We went and got a pizza. Yeah, we went and got a pizza, which was actually really good, and it was only $15 for a large, which was pretty good, and we still got half of it left.
Yeah.
So. So what do you want to do at Epcot tonight?
I don't know. Like, who's this ride? Like, how's the ride in the big ball?
Well, he wants to ride the big ball, Spaceship Earth. Yep, we'll do it.
Wait, what? Spaceship Earth?
That's what it's called. You're supposed to be taking a nap.